Hey everyone, this is Umesh Chandra and welcome to my traffic anomaly. The big promise here turning is just $5 into 70 plus subscriber. So is this even possible? So in this video I will give you quick summary so what this is, and I will show you my exclusive bonuses for $97 bonus package, and also we will look at the sales page, and I will give you my final honest opinion. So my goal is to give you facts and fast, so without wasting your time, so let's get started. So what is traffic anomaly? Important, this is not a software, it's a digital blueprint, a step-by-step guide in a nutshell. So this guide reveals secret or forgotten traffic source where you get high quality email subscriber with a low budget. The entire system is specially designed for beginners with a small budget who want to build email list without spending hundreds of dollars on Google ads, Facebook ads, right? Okay, before we go further, I want to show you incredible deal I have for you. So when you scroll up, traffic anomaly actually live on 5th October at 10 a.m. Eastern time, which is New York time, and my all exclusive bonuses, okay, and my all exclusive bonuses for $97 expire on when the timer hits 0. So when the timer hits 0, so you will not able to access my all exclusive bonus package. So make sure, okay, before through my link to get, and you will, okay, and you can access my all exclusive bonuses package. So let me tell you what's exact my bonus. So when you scroll down, so here is quick summary of the traffic anomaly, so you can read out. So here is my all exclusive bonuses. Kickstarter value at for $97 I am giving you right now. So my first bonus is, okay, the perfect checklist valued at $27. This helps you create professional review videos and just follow this perfect checklist I am just giving you in this time. And bonus number 2, my viral hooks template instantly grab attention. This is a done for you hook template, just copy and paste, and you can create very professional grab attention hook script. And bonus number 3, my top 10 AI tools recently I am using with free, so I'm just giving you. So this will help you save hundreds of dollars every single month, so I'm just giving you. And bonus number 4, the beginner's guide when you start your journey, so definitely this guide help you on your journey, so I am giving you right now. And bonus number 5, I am giving you thumbnail masterclass. Okay, so this is a video training course within a 10-20 minutes during time. Okay, I am giving you. If you don't have any type of skill to create a clickable thumbnail, so I am giving you, this is a 3-step method. Just follow 3-step method, and within a minute you can easily create clickable thumbnail. Your video more click, so you can get more view. So I am exact giving you, this is video training video. And my most, okay, I am giving you bonus number 6, my personal support system. When you stuck so I will personally help you. So this is priceless. So all my exclusive bonuses I am giving you right now, and of course vendor bonus, okay, giving you. So when you pick up any front end or any OTOs product, so inside the member area you can access all the official vendor bonuses. So my all exclusive bonuses, how can you get access my all exclusive bonuses? So when you scroll down, so here is yellow button, so inside the sales page, okay, so inside the my bonus page, okay, so here is the two yellow button I am, okay, giving you. So one, and when you, okay, scroll up, here is just a click on of them. So when you click and direct go to the sales page, you can see that. Okay, so this is a traffic anomaly, $5 traffic anomaly sales page. You can see that. Okay, so when you scroll down, so it's not a long, okay, page, is a short page, but enough details. So you can, before you pick up any, okay, front end or OTO, so you can definitely you shoot all the detail according your time, just read out. And so when you scroll down, so here is the access button, so just a click, and when you pick up front end, okay, so don't for, so this is just $7.95 something. When you get stand front end of any OTOs, so I am giving you my all exclusive bonuses. You will get access my all exclusive bonuses. Okay guys, so when you scroll down, so this type of Warrior Plus or JB Juice, after when you pick up, so direct, okay, so redirect, so this type of receipt, okay, you will get. So when you will, this type of receipt you will get, so here is blue button, my bonus link inside this. So just click and enter email, your email, and you will get my all exclusive bonuses. As well as when you go to the redirect JVZO, this type of receipt you will get. So here is blue button, okay, so inside my all my bonus link, just click and enter your email, and you will get my all exclusive bonuses. So okay, you have seen my all exclusive bonuses package offer that you can get for free. So let's see if the $5 traffic anomaly actually is the real deal. So I have official sales video. So okay, so when you scroll down, here the official sales video. So I am not going to watch whole things. I have picked up 3 important clips that show the proof.
Imagine turning just $5 into a flood of 70+ high-quality subscribers from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia in just 24 hours. Sounds impossible, right? Well, get ready because I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. What I'm about to reveal is a forgotten traffic source.
Guys, just imagine turning $5 into 70+ email subscriber from USA, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom. Sounds impossible, right? So let's watch.
That the marketing gurus don't want you to know about. They've been keeping this hidden from you because it's so powerful yet so simple that it could completely change the game. Now let me be clear, this is nothing like what you've seen before. We're not talking about expensive Facebook ads, complicated Google campaigns, unreliable solo ads, or time-consuming SEO. This is something completely different, and that's what makes it so powerful. What I've discovered is an untapped wellspring of real, genuine visitors who are actively looking for what you have to offer. These aren't just random clicks or bot traffic. These are real people ready to engage with your content and offers. Imagine launching a campaign that costs less than your morning coffee, then waking up the next day to see your subscriber list growing on autopilot. That's exactly what happened when I tested this method, and I'm going to show you the proof. Here's what I achieved in just 24 hours. Over 70 new subscribers added to my list. These aren't just any subscribers. These are high-quality...
Guys, just 70 plus subscriber. Okay. And all subscriber from, you can see that the 73.6% North America and Europe. Totally all subscriber got tier 1 country. This is real people and real buyer, very high quality traffic. You can see that the proof number 1.
Leads from top-tier countries who are genuinely interested in what I have to offer.
Okay, guys, and you can see that. Just
it gets
okay.
Even better.
Okay, guys, you can see that the open click rate. Okay, 30%, 27%, 31, 43%. If above the 20% is very high quality traffic. This is real buyer, and absolutely it's a very good sign. That's very strong proof. You can see with a small budget.
Not only did I build my list, but I also made an instant affiliate sale that covered my ad spend and put me in profit right away. This isn't just about getting traffic, it's about getting profitable traffic that converts. That's why I've created the $5 Traffic Anomaly, a complete blueprint that shows you exactly how to tap into this incredible traffic source and replicate my results. Inside, you'll discover everything you need to succeed. The exact name of this powerful traffic source, a step-by-step campaign setup blueprint that leaves nothing to chance, and a proven email sequence you can copy and paste to start generating results immediately. Right now, you can get access to everything for just $7.95, but fair warning, this price won't last long. As more people discover this method and start getting results, the price will increase. Click the button below now to get instant access to the $5 Traffic Anomaly. You're protected by my 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk.
Win-win
Don't
situation,
wait.
guys.
Grab this opportunity while it's still available at this incredibly low price.
30 days money back guarantee giving you. So win-win situation. After you pick up and don't like or don't have this blueprint or step-by-step guide, something servicing is giving you, you can refund only just a $7 of this. So risk free. So my opinion much clear. We saw the big claim, so we saw the proof of the real subscriber from the good country, and even saw the small sale made the traffic profitable from day 1. So that's look like a real, practical and powerful for beginners. So now let's break down the upgrade OTOs for $5 Traffic Anomaly. So let's go again the bonus page. So here is first front end Traffic Anomaly, $5 Traffic Anomaly, $7.95, almost $8. Okay, so this is the main blueprint. It's 100% required for less than price of movie ticket. Okay, you get entire case study, the name of the secret traffic source, and the step-by-step guide. This is complete no-brainer and gives you everything you need to start. So this is front end. Okay, perfect for you. Okay, start getting results. And the OTO one, $27, OTO2 $37, while I don't have the exact detail of this upgrade right now. So they likely done for, okay, so I think this is done for you. Resources are advanced training to get faster result, right, with the main method. So if you are complete beginner and want to save time, OTO1 are likely good choice. Okay, so you can see that the OTO1 traffic on $27, and extra help definitely you will give. Only consider if you want to speed up to process that things. And OTO3 $97, OTO4 $197. There are higher price upgrade, which is actually advanced coaching, reseller right. Okay, this ability to sell traffic Anomaly as your own product. You can rebranding. Okay, white level offer you unlimited traffic method. These are not for beginners. Only consider this if you are an experienced marketer and see a lot of potential, so you can scaling this method. So you go with this OTO3, OTO4, and the traffic Anomaly bundle offer $97. Okay, so this is the best deal for you if you want everything. Okay, and you save money, so definitely you go this traffic Anomaly bundle offer. So offer include front end and all the OTOs. Okay, for a single and a heavy discount you get. If you are planning on buying OTO1, OTO2, so definitely go with this Anomaly bundle offer. So much lower price and then buying this safe value. So all about my honestly, okay, my final opinion, go with front end $7 to $95. Okay, it's give you complete core method, and that you need to start getting everything during the beginners. After you some may say okay, so go with the another OTOs. Each OTOs is specific features. Okay, so if you are beginner, so go with the only front end. Sorry guys, my English is very weak, so I am trying to day by day improve my English. So sorry about this, my English, poor English, so ignore it. So guys, all about this. So if you decided $5 traffic Anomaly, get it to my link and pick up so my all exclusive bonuses link. Okay, the very first link in the video description below. Go and click the link and you can entire my all exclusive bonuses for $97, the Kickstarter system with free. So thank you for watching this my $5 traffic Anomaly. So take care and bye friends.